Welcome to AISECINTEL, one intelligent threat, one trusted action. In an era where algorithms make decisions faster than humans can think, trust has become the currency of survival. This is not just about security anymore, it's about digital conscience. Every algorithm we build reflects the ethics of its creator, and every breach we ignore echoes through the systems we depend upon. AISECINTEL exists to bridge that gap between the speed of intelligence and the steadiness of trust. In just 18 months, artificial intelligence went from research labs to running boardrooms, from writing code to writing company strategy. But while the world rushed to deploy, few stopped to ask, is it secure? Speed became the new success metric. Security, an afterthought. Today, the world faces a paradox. AI has accelerated progress, but also multiplied vulnerabilities. The question isn't what AI can do. The question is, can we trust what it does? 72% of enterprises launched AI systems without any formal risk evaluation. 89% operate without an AI security policy, and the pace of deployment is now 3 times faster than protection. We have created digital brilliance, but left it unguarded. Model weights, the very DNA of enterprise intelligence, are now the new crown jewels. They hold billions in R&D value, but sit unprotected in legacy environments built for old data, not for algorithmic intelligence. Security hasn't evolved at the same speed as innovation, and that's the gap we must close. We never saw the breach coming, said the CTO of a fast-growing SaaS company. No malware, no exploit, no alert, just logic, silently leaking through an unsecured API. Their customer-facing AI assistant designed to help users started exposing confidential conversation and proprietary pricing strategies. For 47 days, their secrets were an open book, discovered not by a hacker, but by a competitor. The impact? A $12 million valuation loss and a regulatory investigation. The lesson? Not all threats come with a signature. Sometimes the breach is simply intelligence unguarded. For 20 years, we built our defenses around data, encrypted it, backed it up, guarded it. But today, data is no longer the final asset. Models, trained on billions of data points, contain knowledge, decision logic, and competitive advantage. Losing a model means losing a mind, not just a file. We're now entering the model protection era, a paradigm where protecting learned intelligence is the new frontier of cybersecurity. The threats have evolved, and they're already here. Prompt injections, manipulating model behavior through crafted inputs, model poisoning, corrupting data to plant backdoors, model inversion, reconstructing private training data, adversarial samples, invisible tweaks that break entire predictions. These are not theoretical. They're happening today. In fact, 67% of AI security incidents in 2024 were missed by traditional security tools because the enemy isn't attacking your firewall, it's attacking your model's mind. To secure intelligence, we must think in layers. Data layer, protect integrity, privacy, and provenance. Model layer, safeguard weights, prevent extraction, ensure robustness. System layer, secure APIs, control access, monitor continuously. Each layer reinforces the others. A single weak link collapses trust across the entire system. AI security is not a product, it's an architecture of confidence. The world isn't starting from zero. 3 powerful frameworks now guide this journey. The NIST AI Risk Management Framework, a compass for trust and risk governance. The ISO/IEC 42001 standard, a certifiable AI management system. And the EU AI Act, the world's first regulatory guardrail for responsible AI together. They form the global language of AI trust, where compliance and conscience finally meet. The CISO's role has evolved, no longer just guarding data centers, they now guard decision centers. Step 1, inventory every model. If you can't see it, you can't secure it. Step 2, classify by risk. Not all models carry equal impact. Step 3. Test continuously adversarial, fairness, and robustness tests, not optional. Step 4. Audit systematically. Document lineage, data provenance, and every model decision. Because in the AI era, governance begins with visibility. Without inventory, there can be no accountability. If you're a student or early professional, this is your moment. AI security engineers are becoming the elite force of tomorrow. Start with foundations, coding, data, security basics. Then specialize, learn adversarial machine learning, secure model testing, and AI threat modeling advanced toward auditing and governance roles, and ultimately leadership in AI security strategy. This is not just a job, it's a movement, a chance to protect the digital world's next great asset, intelligence itself. Every executive once asked, how fast can we deploy AI? Now they ask, can we trust what we've deployed? AI incidents cost millions, but reputational damage costs billions. Secure AI equals sustainable AI, because return on investment now means return on integrity. In this new economy, trust isn't a compliance checkbox, it's a business differentiator. Welcome to a new kind of learning, a ISECINTEL, one intelligent threat, one trusted action. Every day, one focused episode, one actionable framework, one step closer to mastering AI security. You'll receive ready-to-use templates, checklists, and community insights from global experts. Each day builds on the last, creating a 30-day journey toward intelligent trust. Your first tool is here, the AI Attack Surface Map 2025, a radar that reveals how your systems align with real-world AI threats. Inventory your models. Map your attack surfaces, prioritize by risk exposure. This living tool evolves as threats evolve. It transforms complexity into clarity, because awareness is the first act of defense. From firewalls to model walls, security has always followed value. But protecting AI is not just a technical mission, it's a moral one. We are no longer just engineers or auditors. We are the guardians of algorithms, custodians of digital trust. Our vigilance today will define how humanity coexists with intelligent machines tomorrow. This is our generation's cybersecurity moonshot, and it starts with you. This is day one of your 30-day journey into AI security mastery. Download today's framework. Join the WhatsApp community. Be part of the conversation. Because the future of AI security will not be built by one company, but by one community, committed to one intelligent threat and one trusted action. Together, we digitize the digital responsibly.